Hello, my wonderful friends. I am Kat. This is my first friend, Jessica. Your name tag gets rid of my face. I have no face.
I crouch.
Oh, your dog is so cute. What's your dog's name? Someone's writing Chinese. And then there's Korean. Someone's talking to Korean. It's like 3 different languages. Chinese. And you got Korean. And you got English. What the heck? Okay, you know what? Radioactive Amber.
Let's get into the game!
Oh, yeah. I was getting off topic. We're playing Bedwars. If you couldn't read the title.
Yeah.
Mine Man, Hobo Bob.
Hypixel's IP down. Orchestra. We're gonna be playing on band instruments. Cat.
What was that? We're playing on what?
Band instruments. Like
oh. Oh, instruments. That's interesting.
Last episode went really well.
It really did.
We should try that strategy again.
The first episode was not so great, but that's fine. It was just the first episodes. First episodes are usually not that great.
First episode was like 4 minutes long and it sucked.
Yeah, it took like all those peoples in the last episode. Okay. Right.
Here, I try to follow. I take 12 and then I run.
But I need like, stuff to make glass with, which is iron.
No. I just need 12. Okay.
Looks like we got a lot of room to... Look, we're red instrument. We're a piano.
Yes.
Okay, right. That dragon noise will always haunt me in my sleep.
Rest in pieces.
Yep. You'll never understand the pain I had to go through to listen to that dragon noise.
Maybe you should just stop playing the dragon.
Oh, I made a mistake and it's annoying.
I think everyone has the strategy we do.
Yeah, and I don't. Oh, someone has the name Jacob. Oh, Jessica! Hey, you annoying prick. Get out of here, you annoying prick. Haha, you guys with me, Benjamin.
We died.
Jessica, someone's invading our country.
Oh, I'm coming.
Someone's invaded our piano. Quick! Well, they were. I'm kind of putting you over here for nothing.
Yeah, I have no idea where home is, by the way.
Dude, that guy, like, he almost killed our bet. I was like right there when he almost killed it.
Well, that's why you stay at home.
Exactly, I was staying at home.
Good.
I just wanted to tell you that this guy...
At home. Where is it?
I think the guy is colorblind, because I don't think he saw the glass.
Oh.
Oh.
No! The dragon's green!
Oh my gosh, he's so annoying. Is that green? Kill that bing. Kill that bing. Kill that bingy bong. Kill the bingy bonga bonga bing.
Get it!
I'm kill that bigga booga booga boom. He's a blah 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 goo.
Get him before he gets home! Push him off!
I'm trying.
Push him off!
Haha. I tried. And now the gold is gone. I tried, Jessica, but sometimes life...
They're going back to base, stay there. They're going back to base, stay there.
Jessica, I lied. That was such a waste of time. Why did you make me do that?
Well, I was hoping you'd be able to reach it before I did.
Hi. just putting wall down because, well, protecting the bed.
Pink isn't very good at this. Ooh, green lost her bed.
Oh, that's good. I'm glad they did.
Guess who's about to get murdered by me?
Them.
Guess who's about to get murdered? Yes.
Okay, for a second I thought you were green.
Yes. I put emeralds in the chest for you.
Thank you.
I put emeralds in the chest for you. Make obsidian now.
Okay, I'll make obsidian.
Make obsidian now. I think they went to blue, so I'm going to blue.
I don't know, Jessica. They're just a weird type of people. Right? Green people are usually, green.
I hear glass breaking. Is that you?
Yeah, it's me. Actually, no, it's not me. I think I left the bed unprotected.
I actually started running home.
I know.
I actually started running home.
I'm so.
I was worried for your safety.
I know, which is why I used.
Mainly mine, but I was still worried partly for your safety.
I know.
I was still worried partly for your safety. How dare you?
Right. I used that to my advantage to make you scared.
There's stuff in the text. So, first objective is always to protect the bed.
Yes, our life depends on it. It's like our god. It's our bed god. It's where he's, oh crap, we're getting invaded by yellow, and he's...
Yes.
I got killed by yellow.
I'm kind of busy by diamond. Being murdered by diamond.
Quick, kill him. He's right here somewhere. I know it.
He's behind us. He's in our house.
Why is he not breaking our bed? What a bunch of bing holes. Kill him, kill that bitch.
I think he's trying to befriend us. Not on my watch.
Yeah, he wasn't befriending us. He was,
well, at the end he tried to because he started dying.
No. We learned our lesson last time. We got betrayed. I don't want that again. Now, you know what? I would like to give you, like, a wake-up memory call, but not right now.
Yeah, maybe next time.
Yeah, maybe next time.
Yeah, maybe next time.
Or you have to know that we trust, like, 3 people in the past, and they never once let their word be it. It was always betrayal.
Of course.
Right? Please. Alright.
Of course. What do you expect?
Jessica. Right?
What?
If we keep on this war, we will.
What?
We will.
Fail.
Yeah, like this. I'm trying to make it dramatic by making this into a war or something. I mean, our bed, like our god is like sleeping in this bed.
And we're covering him with blocks, trying to suffocate him.
Wait, gods don't need to breathe, right?
Yeah, no, like they need their own oxygen that they need to use to breathe.
No, that's
I have 4 ropes for you.
Oh, nice, thank you. Also, hey Jessica.
I have 4 ropes for you.
Right. So, let's say our bed god, right, who's sleeping, right? He wants to like sleep, but he needs like gods to watch him sleep. So then
you saying we're gods that help God sleep?
No, we are like we help him. That's what I'm trying to say. Like we help him sleep. Like if you don't
You're
understand.
saying this in a very confusing manner. You're saying this in a very
Oh, I just broke. Yeah, I wish. Oh wait, never mind.
Did I scare you? I was trying to help you out of the hole. Sorry, didn't mean to startle.
Let's just say I thought I destroyed my own bed.
Sorry, didn't mean. Oh yeah, I've done that before.
I thought I destroyed my own bed. It said you can't. You can't.
But Pink went from really weak to really strong only because they ended up getting a bunch of emeralds.
Oh, well, that's just what emeralds do.
But they're like really terrible at PvP.
Ah, that's good.
But I can't kill them because they're wearing diamond things, and it's making me angry. Because I want them emeralds.
Right, we all want them emeralds, Jessica, but sometimes them emeralds are too much to ask for. Our sleeping god won't get them for us. Oh crap.
Okay, this same person keeps killing me and it's making me really angry.
Jessica, everything makes people angry. Also, I hope that's you.
It is, I just found.
Ah. Okay, this is such a weird round. I'm not gonna lie, but we usually don't do this well.
Then what was last round?
One in a lifetime.
That's fair. That's fair. Don't forget to go get diamonds.
I'm busy trying to do stuff to the bed.
I don't care. I also can't go attack Pink because they have so many emeralds. I'm certain they have obsidian and they've got the glass protection. So I can't blow them up.
They probably have like obsidian as well.
That's what I said.
Ah.
I want speed.
You want speed? Well, sorry, but not everyone can be Blue and Sonic.
I want speed.
Okay, yeah, I don't deserve that.
How are they hitting me so fast? I don't understand. Ah!
It's okay, girl. I feel you. Oh crap.
Where is the gold?
I don't. I have it on me. Yeah.
Work it over. Can you do this faster?
Do what faster?
Fork over gold. Can you do this faster? By the way, get gold or iron armor.
Ah, right. That's a good idea.
By the way, get gold or iron armor.
Done. Or we could just do what we did last time. Just wait until beds just die on their own.
No, I will destroy these mother friggers.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
No, it's the last thing I do. I will destroy them. My mighty sword in hand.
You know what? I feel like it's possible because you claim they're bad at PvP, right? And I claim that you are better at VP. I can't English.
Are you good?
I can't say PvP. It's always PPV or VPP. It's never PvP. It's always play versus. Not plays versus play. Damn it.
If I die with these 6 emeralds, just kill me now.
You want me to kill you?
Not yet.
Oh, okay.
Only if I die with these emeralds.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Our bed is completely protected by obsidian, right?
Yes, completely.
Okay, good. That means I can spend the emeralds on myself!
Mm-hmm. Or on each other if you can just give us diamond armor.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
Ah, yeah.
2 emeralds in the chest. Don't forget to get diamonds and,
Okie dokie.
upgrade storage.
2 emeralds in the chest.
Mm-hmm.
Don't forget
And
to
our
get
armor.
And,
Actually, get armor real quick, please.
Mm-hmm. Sure. Anything for you, girl. I'm just trying to upgrade the bed and stuff. Just typical, I'm not the PvP player stuff.
Yeah. I like to run around and murder things.
Okay, we don't have blue anymore, so... Yeah, we don't have to worry about that.
Yeah.
We only have to worry about pink.
Yeah, white is just, well, what typical white people do. Nothing.
I didn't even know white was in the game. I thought they were dead. What are you doing here? I said go get diamonds, not emeralds.
Ah, I went to the wrong place. And now I'm gonna commit dead.
What are you doing?
No, it's red.
Don't get diamonds, not emeralds.
Jessica, I'm not good with maps.
No, it's red. You have 6 emeralds in the chest. Get yourself some diamond armor.
Okay, where's the... Okay, diamonds are here. Okay, right. I'm just some brain dead, alright?
Get yourself some
I really want to murder the other team.
Then murder them! Like, I don't want to show my... never mind.
Come here, Pink! Like, what bad? Come here!
Okay, why am I holding diamonds?
I'm just really terrible at PvP, and they're really not.
Okay.
That same player kills me every time, and they seem like they were bad at PvP at first, but it's like they were holding out on me, which is almost making me even angrier, because I just want them to die. I'm going back! I refuse to stop until they die!
Pink and red are supposed to be like relatives, you know, because to make pink, it's white and red.
Irony that we're the all ones left.
But what about why? Why if we keep our hopes down for
How are they doing that? They're not even looking at me! You die! I swear they're not even looking at me and they're still hitting me. How is that even possible? I don't want to claim hacks because then it'll just look like I'm like being a wimp. But like that, what are you doing? Get diamond armor, you stupid!
I'm busy. I getting
No! Like that. What are you doing? Get diamond armor, you get it while I be angry, just in case someone tries to destroy the bed.
Okay. Right.
Get it while I be angry, just in case someone tries to destroy the bed.
I might as well get that. Look, got what you want. Your Majesty.
Come back!
What do you mean, come back? Oh, right, you're talking to them.
No, I swear to God! No, I swear to God! They just got like 20 emeralds. I'm not angry, you're angry. They just got like 20 emeralds.
Issues, guys. What's so funny? Jessica, I think you've gone insane.
No, I'm just very, very, very competitive. You know what? No, I'm gonna start stealing diamonds from the other people now. Very competitive. Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Please upgrade our armor even further so I can absolutely wreck these stupid mother friggin'
Sure.
Can
I go to other diamond generators? Oh wait, no, there's white about. Oh, yeah, okay.
White is... Why? I don't even know what White's doing. I don't think they're even playing at this point. I think it's just an all-out war between me and Pink.
I can believe it.
Playing at this point. I will destroy their bloodline, me and Pink.
Why does that sound familiar? What's that reference to?
I'm pretty sure it's a TikTok.
I got emerald, but I'm trying to look for diamonds. But hey, you buy one, you get one free.
Sure.
I feel like...
Where is my house? I'm so lost. Sure.
What's the matter? I'm just like...
Where is my house? You're chilling at green. Oh, that's over there. No, that's green. Where is our house?
Okay, I am paranoid.
White is attacking Pink.
Oh, that's good. That means I don't have to worry.
Where is our house? Yeah. White is attacking Pink. That means we can get the drop on Pink.
That means we can... that means we can attack White while they're attacking Pink. That means we can win.
No, wait first. Because Pink's the stronger enemy.
Okay, well, how
means they obviously have to die first.
Am I red or are we blue? Yeah, we're red.
We're red.
Mhm.
Which means they obviously have to die first.
Okay, I got 2 emeralds, 4 diamonds, and other stuff.
We need 1 more emerald.
Oh, that's unfortunate. We need 1 more diamond as well.
We need 1 more emerald. For what?
Upgrade
I
armor.
You have your armor, I have my armor.
I was talking about, like, protection for diamonds. Do you know what diamonds are? You know what they do?
Yeah. Oh, I was thinking emerald because I was holding them.
Okay.
Can I have this? I dropped them on
Yeah,
the floor.
sure, that's fine.
I'm gonna go wreck Pink.
Okay. I'm gonna...
Pink, how you doing? Jacob was killed by me.
Wait to help?
Pink, how you doing? No. Jacob was killed by me. Well, maybe. No. I was hoping I could get that somewhere before I died. Maybe. That one didn't actually anger me because white came before I could do anything. I should have brought some, like, TNT. Oh, I think I just made Pink angry.
I made them angry as well, because I just threw stuff at them that made, no difference. Oh, I almost fell off the edge because of lag.
Ooh, white has diamond as well, but they're away from me. Do we have a generator that spawns emeralds yet?
Nope.
I'll try to go to some other bases and get, emeralds. Do we have a generator that diamonds yet? I'll try to go to some other bases and get, I'll just mosey on over to green and diamonds. Yoink.
This is like a pattern I do.
Oh.
Emerald
I thought that was
Forge. Okay, we got Emerald Forge now.
Nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nice. Thank you.
Now we don't need to go out. Well, you do, because you need to kill some things.
I found 4 diamonds.
Nice. Good job.
I'm gonna give them to you, because I don't know. I found 4 diamonds.
Oh, you scared me. Fine. I scared you, like, lots of times. It's fair if you do it as well.
Alright, I'm gonna upgrade the forge, and then we need to fix our armor.
Mm-hmm. That's, Wait, I just...
Someone here!
I don't have anything. I think they're invisible. They're most likely invisible.
Do we have It's a Trap?
Yeah, yes, we do.
Someone here! How? They have reset, they're cheating!
Quick, kill them!
Someone destroyed our bed while I was fighting the other.
But how?
They
They do have cheats. How did they How did they destroy it that quickly?
They must have had the diamond pick. And haze.
What?
But they were killing us too fast without being anywhere close, and this one was killing without looking.
I call hacks.
And haze. But they were killing us. That makes me angry. I thought we were fighting killing the entire time, and that I was just bad.
And
But
he
it turns
called
out
us
it
noob.
was so bad that they needed hacks. They called us noob. That makes me angry. That boils my blood.
Don't worry. We were recording. It's fine. Oh my god, it's me! Look! Look at the Russian commie, the German commie. Look who joined! The Russian commie and the German commie.
And the guys from last round. That's the word targeting first.
Okay, bye bye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a weird video. Jessica has blood rage, which is fine. Goodbye.